In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fields in DocuSign. We'll walk through the whole process, from opening your DocuSign dashboard to sending a document that's ready to be signed. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and feel free to pause at any point. Start by going to your DocuSign dashboard and make sure you're signed into your account. This is the main homepage where you can see your recent activity and start new envelopes. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option that says Get Signatures. This is usually one of the primary buttons or actions near the top of the page. Go ahead and click that. This tells DocuSign that you want to send a document out for signing. Next, you'll be prompted to upload the document you want to use. Click on the Upload button. A file picker window will pop up from your computer. Navigate to the folder where your document is stored, select the correct file, and then confirm your choice. Give it a second to upload. Larger files might take a bit longer. Once your document is uploaded, you'll see fields where you can set up your recipients. Start by typing in the name of the person who needs to sign or fill out the document. This helps you keep track of who is doing what, especially if you're sending it to multiple people. After entering the name, type in that recipient's email address. Make sure it's accurate, because this is where DocuSign will send the signing link. A quick tip here: double check spelling and avoid copying extra spaces, as that can cause delivery issues. When you've added the recipient information, look for the button that says Next, Add Fields, and click it. This will take you into the main editing view where you can place your fields onto the document. On the left-hand side, you'll see a column with different types of fields you can add, such as signature, date, and text fields. To use these, click on the field you want, then drag and drop it onto the appropriate spot in your document. Position it carefully so it lines up with the area you want the recipient to complete. You can add as many fields as you need, and you can mix different types, like having a signature field plus a date and a text box for additional information. When everything looks good and all your fields are in place, click on the Send button. DocuSign will email your recipient with a secure link so they can open the document, fill in the fields, and sign it. And that's it. You've successfully added fields in DocuSign and sent your document for signature.